Hello everyone. This is Vadianum cum haram. New arrival 85 grams Vadianum cum haram. This is made in very lightweight, 2-in-1 pattern. Approx 85 grams. Haram cum Vadianum.
హారం ప్లస్ వడ్డన.
This can be worn as 2-in-1.
సో మనకి హారం కావాలి ఇలా వేసుకోవచ్చు అండి.
This is haram style.
ఇది హారం స్టైల్. అండ్ మనం వడ్డడం కావాలంటే ఇట్లా వడ్డనం వేసుకోవచ్చు. సింపుల్.
2-in-1 model.
మన లక్ష్మీదేవి వచ్చేసి చాలా అన్ని క్లారిటీగా ఉంది అండి. మన పైన కెంపులు ఇచ్చిన ఉన్నాయి, కింద అన్ని గుట్ట పూసలు ఉంది.
Only 85 grams.
ఓన్లీ 85 గ్రామ్స్.
Approx 85
పీస్
grams.
అండి. లుకింగ్ వైజ్ చాలా హెవీగా ఉందండి.
This can be worn as 3/4 haram also.
నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి బట్టుమాల. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి బట్టుమాల. ప్రెసెంట్ టైంలో బట్టుమాల చాలా ఫేమస్ అండి. నెట్ వెయిట్ వచ్చేసి 54 గ్రామ్స్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ. చాలా రన్నింగ్ అండి.
Approx only 54 grams.
అన్ని ఫ్లవర్
22 inches, 54 grams.
అన్ని ఫ్లవర్స్ ఇచ్చినాయి. లక్ష్మీదేవి కూడా చాలా క్లియర్గా ఉంది. పర్ల్స్ ఇచ్చినాయి సైడ్లో. అండ్ పోల్కి సీజర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అన్ని స్టోన్స్ క్వాలిటీ కూడా చాలా మంచిది ఉన్నాయండి.
Only 54 grams. Lightweight Botumar.
నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి ఇది
40 grams peacock haram. 3/4 haram. This is also one of very lightweight. Only 40 grams.
చోకర్లకైనా వేసుకోవచ్చు మనకు కావాలంటే. ఇది చోకర్ ప్యాటర్న్ యాక్చువల్గా ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ ఉన్నాయి.
This can be worn as 2-in-1 type. Choker cum
చోకర్ అండ్ నెక్లెస్.
one. You can see it is very broad. It will be very heavy on your neck. Anyone's neck. This can be customized in ruby, emerald, pearls. Next one. This is
ఓన్లీ 21
only
గ్రామ్స్.
21 grams.
బ్రైడల్ చోకర్ అండ్ నెక్లెస్.
Bridal choker in very lightweight, only 21 grams. You can see this size also.
సైజ్ బిగ్ సైజ్.
It will be very
Big
heavy
size.
look.
దిస్ ఇస్ నెక్లెస్ స్టైల్ అండ్ చోకర్ స్టైల్.
Next. Sure.
త్రీ-ఫోర్త్ హారం అండి.
This is 3/4 haram. Approx 42 grams. This is also made in very lightweight. Only 42 grams.
నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చి చోకర్ ఓన్లీ 26 గ్రామ్స్. ఇది బ్రైడల్ చోకర్.
Approx 26 grams lightweight choker. We are saying only approx net weight, and weight is we are saying only approx price, approx weight. This is also one of our very running piece in very lightweight, only 26 grams. Next one, this is Rani Haram. This is the most selling piece of our store. This can be worn as ladies can also wear and gents can also it can be worn. It will be in bridal collection.
జెంట్స్ కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చండి, జెంట్స్ అండ్ లేడీస్ వేసుకుంటే చాలా నిండుగా ఉంటుంది, హెవీగా ఉంటుంది.
This is approx 38 grams.
ఓన్లీ 38 grams. Three-fourth haram అండి, ఓన్లీ 36 grams, sorry 25 grams approximately.
This is only 25 grams. 3/4 haram.
3/4 haram.
Only 25 grams. Full pachi work and in lightweight. All the emeralds are real emeralds. And one of new arrival. This is only just 25 grams. Long haram only 25 grams. This is the lowest haram we have made till now. You can see the workmanship. It is very neat and clear. Only 25 grams. Price detail you can take screenshot and you can WhatsApp us, madam. We will send the detail of the item. Next, this is also one of new arrival.
Continue.
We are showing all the new arrival which we came in lightweight, only 33 grams. In lightweight only 33 grams, Kanti style. We have more collection also. You can visit our store for all collection. In Kanti we have many more designs, but we are showing just 1-2 pieces for sample. Next one, pearl haram. Only approx 20 grams only.
Approximately.
This can also be customized in any beads, emerald, pearl, rubies. According to requirement, we can customize this. Just 20 grams. This is also one of our new arrival. Approx 26 to 27 gram only.
Only 27 grams.
This is also training piece. Total jewelry is 22 carat 906 hallmarked. Approx 27 grams. This can be also when worn as this is haram come choker.
Haram come choker. Choker.
This is very beautiful piece. In choker it will be very heavy looking. We got many good response for this piece. You can see the size also. It is very broad.
Broaded. 3/4 లాగానే వేసుకోవచ్చు.
27 is net weight, madam. Next one more in pearl jewelry. Only 15 grams. This is one of running piece. Anytime we will have this piece available in our store. Only 15 grams. Unique piece in lightweight. Next to Rani Haram.
18 grams. 18 grams.
This is only
Approximately
approx 17 to 18 grams only. 5-step Rani Haram. This is also one of running pieces. You can find every time it will be available in our store. Only 18 to 19 grams.
18 to 19 grams approximately.
Next same Rani Haram we have made in only pearls collection.
Only
Only
pearls.
pure pearls.
With earrings.
With earrings this is only 26 grams approx. 25 to 26 grams with earrings.
Earrings కూడా చాలా పెద్దగా ఉండండి, నిండుగా ఉండండి. మీకు చూడొచ్చు. Okay.
In scissors and pearl combination. This will be one of unique piece. Only 25 grams.
Next new Rani Haram.
This is new Rani Haram
37
3 steps are
35 to 37 grams.
approx 35 grams. This is also unique piece. It will give a very heavy look, but all are in lightweight jewelry. Next, same one more Rani Haram
with
5
earrings. Only 24 grams.
24 grams with earrings.
24 with earrings. Ring pulse
24 grams with earrings. We have more collection in Rani Haram. You can, for any requirement, you can visit our store directly. You will find more collection at store.
This is a beautiful necklace, lightweight, 15 grams.
This is the lowest necklace. Only 10 to 11 grams. Approx 11 grams only. Ruby and emerald and multicolor stone combination. With lightweight, a very heavy look. Simple necklace, simple parties you can wear it. Only 11 grams. Next pearl choker.
10 to 11 grams.
10 to 11 grams only.
Pearl choker and necklace, 2 in 1. This choker and the necklace,
10 to 11 grams only.
10 to 11 grams.
This is also very beautiful piece. Next we have a very lightweight choker.
And then running piece, 3 grams.
This is just 3 grams. Only 3 grams choker. Lowest weight choker. Only 3 grams. Lightweight. You can give this for any return gift also. Only 3 grams. We are selling this piece for many gift purpose also. For gift for any your relation, you can give just 3 grams. Approx it will be 18,000, 18 to 19,000 only.
18 to 20,000.
In this same pattern, this is
Green.
also 3 grams only. In this also we have other collection. For all collection you can visit our store. All are scissor stones with emerald combination.
Running piece,
This is our running piece. Only 20 grams. Only 20 grams. Very beautiful in pachi work, lightweight. This is also one of running piece. And you, how much weight?
only 13 grams.
This is only 13 grams.
12 to 13 grams. లైట్ పింక్ కలర్ చాలా డిమాండ్ ఉన్నాయి ప్రజెంట్ లైట్ పింక్ కలర్లో.
13 grams, a unique piece.
ఇది 3/4 లాగా నెక్లెస్ టైప్ వేసుకోవచ్చు అండ్ చోకలాగా వేసుకోవచ్చు. నెక్లెస్ లాగా కావాలి కొంచెం కిందకి వేసుకోవచ్చు. చోకలాగా కావాలి కొంచెం పైకి వేసుకుంటే చోకలాగా ఉంటుంది.
We have all selected designs in lowest weight. All are trending design in lightweight. With low budget you will get a very unique piece and in lightweight.
ఓన్లీ 12 grams.
Just 12 grams. All jewelry are 22 carat 916 hallmark jewelry.
నెక్స్ట్ బ్లాక్
Next black dori. Approx 10 grams only with earrings. 10 to 11 grams with earrings. We are showing all the selected designs. For more collection, you can visit our store directly. If you like any product, you can take screenshot. You can WhatsApp us directly. We'll give the complete detail of the item. Next one.
నెక్స్ట్ రూబీ మాల.
Ruby mala. This is only 4 grams.
ఓన్లీ.
These all are real rubies.
రూబీస్
With real rubies, only just 4 grams.
4 grams. అండ్ స్టోన్ చేంజబుల్.
And
రెడ్
stone,
గ్రీన్ బ్లూ.
and stone is changeable. Red, green, and blue. 3
4
colors.
grams and
3
changeable.
colors will give in 4 grams with changeable.
మోస్ట్ రన్నింగ్ పీస్ అండ్ ఓన్లీ 9 grams.
This is also one of new piece.
New piece. Only 9
This
grams.
can also gents and ladies both
Gents
can
and ladies.
wear this.
And heavy look.
Just 9 grams.
Just 9 grams.
Only 9 grams
Only 9 grams.
with real emeralds.
Real emerald. One XL. Next only 6 grams and changeable stones.
This is also very lightweight.
Lightweight 6 grams emerald wala
Only
natural emerald.
only 6 grams with real emeralds we have made this. These are all our real emeralds. Only 6 grams with changeable stone. This stone can be, center stone can be changes red, green and blue. 3 colors we will give. Only 6 grams.
బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది క్లిప్ టైప్ స్టోన్ మనం తీసి తీసి
You can
పెట్టుకోవచ్చు
also change the stone.
ఈజీ
Easy to change the stone also.
స్టోన్ చాలా ఈజీ స్టోన్ తీసి పెట్టుకోవచ్చు
Next in same pattern, this is only 4 grams.
4 grams.
In beads collection, lowest weight, only 4 grams.
నెక్స్ట్ ఫిగరింగ్స్ అండ్ బ్యాంగిల్స్
Next we have lightweight
బ్యాంగిల్స్
pendant,
బిగ్ సైజ్
approx 30 grams with the tops. This is very big size. Approx it will be 4 inches in diameter. You can see this size. You can see the size also, almost hand size.
బిగ్ సైజ్
It's very big size
Very
in
big
lightweight. Next we have this. We
Only
have
12
12 grams. Lightweight 12 grams pendant. This is 13 to 14 grams. Navatan pendant. This is only 8 to 9 grams. 8 to 9 grams only lightweight pendant. Now
Finger
showing finger ring. Just 5 grams. 4 to 5 grams. Lightweight ring. This is just 4 grams. In Kundan style, it is made only 4 grams. Size is adjustable with adjustable size. This is next one 3 grams. 3 to 4 grams. In 3 to 4 grams, you are getting adjustable size with very heavy look. Only 3 to 4 grams all are. Next, these are lightweight bangles.
2/6 size and screw system and all ruby embroidered scissors and polki scissors.
With adjustable.
With
2.6 with
broad.
adjustable. It is screw system. Approx 34 to 35 grams only. Both combined 34 to 35 grams only. 2 pieces. With a broad look. Almost 1 inches width it will be. And size is adjustable. This is also made in lowest weight. This is also running piece. Very unique piece. Next, this is Nakshi style bangle, broad bangles.
Stick on design. Ruby emerald, natural ruby and emeralds.
Approx 40 grams only.
38 to 40.
38 to 40 grams. Beautiful Nakshi design in lowest weight. 2 pieces only 40 grams. We also make customized jewelry. If you have any design, we'll make in lowest weight. For any requirement or any information, you can WhatsApp us. If you want any price detail, you can WhatsApp us. You can take screenshot and you can WhatsApp. Will give the complete detail of the item. Next,
Next peacock design.
this is 33 to 34 grams only. This is also one of the lightweight bangle, broad bangles. Only 34 to 35 grams. Next, we have our new arrival of Bajuwan. This
In
is
big size.
This is 14 grams only, 13 to 14 grams in lightweight with a little broader look. This can be worn as 2-in-1, choker cum bajuban. This is also one of unique piece. 13 to 14 grams. 10 to 11 grams. New arrival. Choker cum bajuban.
9 grams approx.
Approx 8 to 9 grams only. This is also new arrival. Choker cum bajuban.
13 grams approx.
This is also
Will
broad
be
choker.
photo stone.
13 to 14 grams. Lightweight choker.
9 grams approx.
Approx 9 grams only. choker cum bajuban. Next, lightweight
Big
earrings,
size.
approx 9 to 10 grams. 9 to 10 grams lightweight chandbali. Only 7 to 8 grams.
Big size, 7 grams only.
And next one, this is 10 grams. 10 grams with changeable
Three
stone.
colors, red, green, blue.
The stone is changeable, red, green and blue. 3 option you will get in this chandbali. Backside it is clip system. You can also remove and easily you can change the stone. 3 colors you will get only in 10 grams. This is 11 to 12 grams.
Only 9 grams. 9 grams.
Many other designs also we have. For all the collection you can visit our store. For any requirement you can WhatsApp us directly on 810-6852-097. That is our WhatsApp number. For any detail you can WhatsApp us directly. We'll give the complete detail of the item. All the jewelry are 916 22 carat hallmarked with BS hallmark. Thank you everyone for joining this live. For any requirement you can WhatsApp us directly. Thank you.